Today we're looking at the Chester Magnabend MB1250. This is used for bending steel of thicknesses up to 1.5 millimeters. Operating the machine is as simple as turning on, choosing your bending function, using the start button to clamp the workpiece. Once the bending operation is complete, holding stop. Depending on your size of your workpiece, you do actually have two alternative start positions. There's the extra button on the far end of the machine, and you also have a foot switch for operation as well. Bending material is as simple as inserting your workpiece, clamping the machine, bending. And when you're ready for the next piece, release, place back into the machine, clamp, and bend. With the MB1250, you can also adjust the angle that you can bend to. For this, take a 6mm Allen key, undo the collar, and move to the new position. The MB1250 comes with numerous attachments. On here currently we have with individual fingers, so you can do box and pan work nice and simply. You also have attachments for single sheet work if you're doing something that requires the full 1250 millimeters. Swapping these over is as simple as lifting one from the table and placing the new one on. We now demonstrate the machine by folding a box. For this, we've marked our plate with the positions we'd like to bend to. So again, we position this into the machine and press start. Bend to position. And release. From there we can turn this around and in position, press start, bend round to complete the first side. Then simply carry through to the next side. Again, just clamping, lifting through, and releasing. A part of the accessories that you also receive with the machine are individual fingers. This allows you to be able to do box pan application far easier. Again, choose the right size fingers for your application. Place your workpiece onto the table, press start, and fold. When this is released, move to the new position. Press start again. Fold and release. When coming to the last fold, again clamp your part and bend round. Once this is unclamped, you can then obviously remove your part. Another type of fold you can produce with this machine, using a piece of round bar, you can increase the size of the radius bend. Place your folding stock into the machine, place in your round bar, clamp the machine, and then fold. Once the part's unclamped, you now have a much larger radius bend. Thank you for watching the video for the Chester Magnabend MB1250. Details for this machine can be found on our website. Details of that are coming up at the end of the video.